The game just changed. Google's Veo 3.1 isn't just another AI update. It's the moment video creation officially leveled up. What used to take days now takes minutes. Veo 3.1 lets anyone turn a simple text prompt into a movie-quality scene, with control over lighting, movement, and even mood. Think, describe
Watch
it,
creativity
see it,
come alive.
animate it. The
Transforming
realism
from ink
is stunning.
to
It
digital
looks less like
dreams.
AI and more like imagination coming alive. But here's the real story. Creators are already making money with it. If you've ever dreamed of producing cinematic shorts, ads, or explainer videos, this is your green light. You don't need a studio. You just need an idea and a plan. Step 1. Write your vision. Type a short scene into Veo, something simple, like a teal horizon glowing at dawn as the world wakes to possibility. The AI handles the rest: composition, lighting, even
Get
camera
started
motion.
easily.
Step 2.
Streamlined
Polish it.
workflows.
Use
Powerful tools
Seedream
at your
or
fingertips.
NanoBanana to generate
And
matching
complete
stills
data
and
protection.
transitions.
Get
Blend everything in CapCut or Canva Pro. Keep it clean, bright, and on brand. Step 3. Upload your video to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or stock footage sites. Build a series. Stay consistent. The more you create, the better the algorithm rewards you. What Veo 3.1 really unlocks isn't just video automation, it's creative freedom. You can tell stories, launch brands, and grow audiences from your laptop. The barrier between imagination and income, gone. So here's your challenge. This week, pick one idea, script it, generate it, post it. Because with tools like Veo 3.1, your imagination is your new currency.